Everyone fell for Robert Kraft's apology. In a vague and carefully worded "that sounds like a mea culpa but is decidedly not," New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft today made his first public comments since he was in connection with in Florida. Kraft's statement, which, understandably, reads as if it was crafted by a team of lawyers, skated over the fact that he has been in that video of him receiving and paying for hand jobs at the Orchids of Asia spa in the very near future. It didn't mention that the thing about an apology, though, is that before you can say you're sorry, you have to admit you did something wrong. And a close or, in deference to the judicial process, I have remained silent these past several weeks. To correct some of the Kraft's attorney, William Burke, didn't actually clear up any misinformation on Friday night. In fact, in video by WCVB Boston, there was no human trafficking and law enforcement knows it. The video and the Kraft's statement alluded to the crime and charges only as this matter, which is a tidy way to dismiss the topics he should be addressing. The statement quipped, "I am truly sorry. I know I have heard, throughout my life I've tried to do the right thing. The last thing I would," invoking his late wife to say that she shaped his morals in the middle of a statement about being charged with paying for sex acts from women at a brothel, seems pretty rude to her memory, but it neatly sets the statement up for its requisite pivot to the future. As I move forward, I hope to use the platform with which I have been blessed to help others and to try to make a difference. I expect to be in sum, Kraft is not admitting he did anything wrong, but he is sorry he got caught and embarrassed himself. He won't offer any
raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.